Hey guys, we have a lot of packages to unbox. It looks too bright. Looks too dark. Where do we start from? So, I got more perfumes, you guys. But these ones are new, but they are not high-end perfumes. They are very, very cheap. This is the brand I get all my new perfumes from. She's in Abuja. Fragrance by Miwa. I love her so much because her customer care is so good. She's so patient with you. I'm a sucker for customer care, good customer care. Like, don't shout at your customers. You know, I told you guys how picky I am with perfumes. I tell you, this lady is always patient. She'll go get the top notes, the base notes, everything for you. And to say that first time it's a cheap perfume I was buying, and she still gave that same attention. This is somebody that sells perfumes of 100 and how much, has big clients in Abuja. She has a big shop. She has every reason to. I know the way vendors in Nigeria can be so bitchy. I got 2 perfumes from her and I got a free gift. I don't know that to show you guys the free gifts first. So this is the free gift I got for buying. She was doing a promo, buy 2 and get 1 free perfume, and it's Ophelia Legends. I just love this perfume. So you guys know I hate sweet scents. This scent is sweet but strange. I love it. The alcohol content is so high, but it fizzles off immediately. It smells like one expensive candy. One first sweet scent that is not making me feel sick. First one, I got it because I watched Sarah Kayola. I pronounced it well. Her latest video on perfumes, her perfume collection, and she recommended and had good things about this perfume. Is the Arcadia El Funsan. All their perfumes come with this, showing you all the scents they have. Sarah said this was supposed to be 5,000, 10,000, but I got it from Fragrance for 12k. I love the packaging. I love the scent. It's like all those rich Arab vibes. Rich. I remember the last video I was telling you of the perfume I got for 10k, and anywhere I go, everybody, people just walk up to me and be like, please, what perfume are you wearing? Where can I get it from? What perfume do you sell it? This is it. Musk Code. It has the most ugly bottle you have ever seen. But I love it. It's so unique. It's so nice. It's long lasting. And it travels far. There was a time I went somewhere and somebody came out from somewhere different and said, I perceived your perfume outside and I knew you were here. I was like, Next is jewelry. I like making videos for brands that did not send me message. Hopefully one day. This is what they look like. They are non-tarnish. They're just classy, you know? So I got this from, it's called Pearls and Pieces. I got these items from Brown Bros Studio. I don't have lashes in this house again. I saw these lashes. They are just the most beautiful, natural, simple glam lashes. Concealer by Zico Cosmetics in Sexy Blackie for contouring. You guys, I saw this. I bought it for aesthetics purposes because it's cute. But I know it's low quality beauty blenders. It will be very beautiful on my vanity. Wrong buy. I had this thing left here. I thought it was something else I was buying. And finally, I got this brush holders from her. I've been putting my brushes in this tea whatever. So I knew I had to get this. I got 2. These are the results. The next clothing fashion items. I saw this dress. Beautiful short, free, big white dress. It's like a shirt dress. I got this, and I think I got this in a size 14. Because I'm a size 14. The remaining clothes I'm about to show you guys is from Kristen's Apparel. I got this flat wear and I had to get it. It's just so cute. You guys, see this dress. See this dress. It's slinging. It's going to hug your body. And I love the low back detail. I've always wanted this leather pants. I got the black. And I had to get the tan. I had to get it as well. Next we have loungewear. Is this gown? It says, I'm a dog. I'm not a dog. I'm always happy. But they were very affordable and I think they were cute. And it came with the trousers. This says, let's sleep under the stars. Pants. God, I'm happy with all my purchases. Hey guys, welcome back. So, today I just want to meal prep and cook in bulk. Sorry if you're hearing the joint is on again. I just want to they actually just took the light today. I've been light since, but because I want to film, I had to on the it's a little bit gloomy because my windows are closed. Today is Sunday. Man, I've been in a comfort zone for too long, although working on my business, but I feel I can do more. I can do more at this point, so I'm just tired of it. I want to just put my all for the more months this year has to offer. I want to put in more. I want to stress myself. I want to go all out. I want to have a routine. I want to do more because I can do more. I'm just tired of the comfort zone I'm in. I need to take my YouTube seriously. Anyways, I've been doing trial and error with some things, so I think I have an idea of what I want to do with my channel. So, yes, and my business, I've been working on it, but I can do better. I always push myself to do better, especially content-wise. I hate the whole recycling of content. I'm tired of it. I need new creativity, new things, new. Anyways, I just finished a photo shoot. It went so well for my business. I tried to overlay some for you guys here. So today's Sunday. I'm just going to be planning. That's it. You just have to plan to be successful. I have my books here. That is what we do. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Ooh. It is Monday. This is 8:20. It's filming day. So I'm getting prepped, getting ready for filming. Okay. So this is the outfit for the day. So I'm wondering what kind of wig or hairstyle is going to fit something like this. I'm not quite sure. Do you guys think a long wig will fit it or something full will fit it? I have a lot of content I want to film. I have 2 YouTube videos I want to make today and personal Instagram and TikTok video. So those are the content that's what we are going to be doing today. So that's what we're going to be doing today basically. And content, shooting day. So if there's time, I may check in with you guys. If not, see you tomorrow. I'm back home. You saw me at the supermarket. I removed my wig. This my front hair. I don't know. I brush it every time, but 5 seconds it looks like I'm homeless. But just deal with it, okay? So I went to pick breakfast stuff. I want to have bread and some sardines, and this one looks healthy. Fit Farm says cholesterol free, trans fat free, healthy spread. I think Mama is like try to be healthy, although I don't know. I also got water. Those are the words. And I got milk candies for business. These are what took me to the supermarket, right? And I saw other things that was absolutely not my concern. I took this because I want to film now, and I need something craving malt. And I saw this no added sugar Amstel malt. Although they used to lie, but it just means it's at least a little bit healthier than the normal stuff. I saw candles. You guys, this is by Glade. And I saw this Febreze, okay? You guys, guess what just came in? Let's see what came in, you guys. It's the Bildre 12-in-1 flexible steam mop. You remember I have the vacuum. I'm coming. So this is the vacuum. This is the vacuum cleaner. Okay. Which has been the best thing ever. Now I bought the steam mop. Steam mop. Just came in. So let's unbox it. Hey guys, Fenty launched, right? Fenty Beauty finally launched in Nigeria. I used my hard-earned coins to get. I wanted to get their pre-show glow cleanser and their fat water toner, but the fat water was not in stock. I can't believe it's finally here. It's finally here. Oh, this box smells so good. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I did not show you guys the furniture they were bringing in yesterday, and it's my coffee table. I finally have a coffee table, and that is so nice. I've not really styled it how I want to, but I have my books here. I have a diffuser and I have a candle, and that's easy. This is what it looks like. It has this very beautiful shape, wide shape, which I like. It also has a drawer, which I have put some jargons in there. So this is what the coffee table looks like, and it came with 2 side stools. Yeah. Hey guys, so most of my vlogs I used to forget to do an outro to like so this is me signing out. Thank you so much to the 100 people that keep watching my vlogs. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you next week Sunday. So it's going to be a weekly vlog thingy, so see you next Sunday. Don't forget to comment below. I like replying to all of your comments and reading them. I reply to everything and reading them. So until next week, bye.